Hello students. So we were doing exercise 6.3. So we have completed question number 1, 2 and 3, right? Now I will discuss the question number 4, that is from the sum of 5x square plus x plus 2 and minus 2x plus 3x square plus 4. Subtract x minus x square minus 1. That means you have to add both the expressions first of all, these two expressions. Okay, find this from the sum of, that means we have to add both the expressions, then whatever answer you get, with that answer you have to subtract this expression, then you will get the answer. Okay, so let's start. So this is our expression. So these two expressions we will add first of all. So you can add by column method as well as by horizontal method. So here I will show you by using the column method. Okay, so 5x square plus x plus 2. Now below x square you have to write this x square, 3x square, then minus 2x, then plus 4. Okay, so we will add this expression, both the expressions. So 2 plus 4 is 6, then plus sign, then here 1 is there, plus 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2 is what? Minus 1, and here it will be x. Okay, now this x square, so 5 plus 3 is what? 8. So it is 8x square minus x plus 6. So from this expression we will subtract that expression which is given in the question. Okay, so in the question it was given x minus x square plus minus 1. So this expression we have to subtract. So here only we will subtract this expression. So first of all x square is given, so we will write here minus x square, then plus x, then minus 1. Okay, and here you will change the sign now because we are doing the minus. So here minus is given, that means we will change in plus. Here plus, then it will be minus, and here minus, then it will be plus. Okay, now subtract it. 6 plus 1 is 7. Here give plus, then minus x, here also minus x. So minus x is minus 2x. Okay, now x square write down here, 8 plus x. Okay, 8 plus 1x, x square, that means 8 plus 1 is 9. So it is 9x square minus 2x plus 7. Okay, so this is our final answer. So in this way you can solve the word problem. Okay, first of all add these two expressions, by this answer subtract that given expression, then this is the final answer. Okay, we'll see the next question. So next 5 number is what must be subtracted from this to get this expression. That means only you have to subtract it from this, you have to subtract this number, then you will get the answer. Okay, so it is very easy. 6 number, how much is this 4a minus 4b minus 4c smaller than 7a plus 7b minus c? That means you have to subtract it again. When you subtract, then only you will get the smaller one. Okay, let's see this. Okay, I have written these two expressions. Now you have to subtract it. So change the sign here, minus, then it will be plus. Here also minus, it will be plus, and here it is plus, then it will be minus. Okay, now minus 1, first of all write the c, minus 1 plus 4. Minus 1 plus 4 is what? Plus 3. So plus 3c, then here write down b, plus 7 plus 4, it is plus 11. Okay, then it is a, 7 minus 4, it is 3. So 3a plus 11b plus 3c. So this is the smaller number. Okay, understood? So now 7 number, the ribbon is 10x minus 8 meters long. The length of 7x minus 5 meter is cut from it. How much ribbon is left? That means this is total length of the ribbon and this much ribbon is cut. So how much ribbon is remaining? So you have to subtract this both the expression, then you'll get the remaining one. Okay, let's see. Okay, now here see, total length of the ribbon equal to 10x minus 8 meter, length of the ribbon cut equal to 7x minus 5 meter. Now we will subtract these two expression 10x minus 8, 7x minus 5. Okay, so here subtraction, so it is minus is there, that means we will make here plus, plus is there, we will make here minus. So minus 8 plus 5, so minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. Okay, then here gives x, 10 minus 7 is 3, that means 3x minus 3 meter. So 3x minus 3 meter is remaining. So ribbon left equal to 3x minus 3 meter. Understood? So it is also very easy question. Now let's take question number 8. Find a minus 2b. Okay, so you have to find this value a minus 2b. A value is given 2x square plus 4x plus 3, and b value is given 5x square plus 3. So you have to put the value of a and b here. Okay, then find the value of a minus 2b. Okay, let's start. Now see, a equal to this and b equal to this. So we have to find the value of a minus 2b. How to find this value? We'll put the value of a and b in this equation. Okay, so now we'll solve this by using horizontal method. Okay, why? Because it will be more easier. You can solve by column method also, but I am solving it by horizontal method. So a value is what? 2x square plus 4x plus 3 minus 2. B value is what? Here we will give bracket here, 5x square plus 3. Okay, so what we do now next? Write this as it is, 2x square plus 4x plus 3. Now multiply this 2 with this expression, 2 into 5. 2 5 is 10 x square. Okay, now bracket is open. Now what you do? You have to see the sign also. Here minus is given, minus 2. So it will be multiplied, 2 into 3 will be 6. But before that you have to see the sign also, minus plus. So minus plus is what? Minus. So 2 into 3, 6. Bracket open. Okay. Now what happened? Now see the like terms, x square, x square. Okay. So 2x square minus 10x square. It is what? 2 minus 10 is what? Minus 8. So write down here minus 8x square. Now 4x and 4x do not have any like term. So write 4x as it is. Now 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 is what? Minus 3. Okay. So this is our final answer. So it's very easy. You have to put the values of the given expression and solve the equation properly by horizontal method. You can do by that column method also. Understood? So in this way our exercise 6.3 is complete, and do the remaining questions in homework, and our this chapter 6 algebraic expression is also completed. Okay, so practice properly all the questions. Thank you.